So-called depreciable assets are those that have a limited useful life. This limitation is usually linked to physical wear, obsolescence, or to the end of their legal or contractual protection. The duration of use of such an asset is determined by the company, but is strongly linked to the asset's lifespan. Conversely, non-depreciable assets are those with an unlimited useful life or whose useful life cannot be estimated. In your opinion, which assets shown on the screen can be depreciated? You have 10 seconds. You have undoubtedly answered software, vehicles, and buildings because their useful life is limited and can be estimated. It may sometimes be necessary to analyze whether all components of an asset have identical useful lives. A building, for example, is composed of foundations that do not have the same lifespan as the roof or the elevators. Consequently, the various components will be depreciated separately and not the building as a whole. When the useful life is considerably less than the lifespan of an asset, this asset is generally disposed of at the end of its useful life. In this case, the depreciable amount corresponds to the initial values minus the residual values, which is its estimated sales price at the end of the expected duration of use. Finally, to depreciate an asset, a method may be chosen. Different methods may be used in the various accounting standards. The most common methods to depreciate assets are time-based, like the straight-line method. Other methods favor depreciation of an asset based on unit produced.